What's poppin', everybody? Real quick, let me do this real quick. Y'all see what I got right here? Timing belt and water pump. All right, this is a 3.5 engine, V6 engine. All right, quick tips to my DIYers and my do-it-yourselfers and my mechanic trainees. Listen, guys, if you get ready to do a timing belt, always bring the marks up first before you take the timing belt off. Okay, and by the way, when you do that, make sure you rotate the engine from the crankshaft, not the camshaft. Okay, you can cause some damage. Okay, you see my marks right here. I'm trying to get this mark to line up right here, vice versa on the other cam, and the crank will have the mark also. So let's see if I can rotate this real quick and get this in time, guys. Let's get it. All right, now guys, now it's safe to take it apart, always. All right, guys, I ran into a roadblock. I don't understand how this is possible. I want y'all to take a look at that funny looking water pump right there. This is the Pacific I'm doing the water pump on. And look at the water pump that they gave me. All right. Looks nothing like it, guys. So kind of upset. I'm on a roll. Like when you're on a roll, you don't want to stop for nothing. It's because once I stop and they got to try to find me another pump, I'm about to go do something else. I'm about to get on the internet. I'm about to leave. And I need to stay on this and finish it. But it just killed my whole freaking vibe, man. Wrong freaking water pump. And how is this possible at a place like this? Because number one, you stick in the VN tell you the engine size and everything you need to know. They don't even have to ask me anything. All they need is the VN. They know everything they need to know from the VN. All right, I'm kind of pissed right now. Let me go up to the parts department and see. Damn. Hold tight, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. Back to my point. I'm pissed. That is the wrong. Yeah, of course it's the wrong water pump. What the hell? Well, anyway, they got a couple of options, and let me tell you what I'm against. Tell you what I'm totally against, but now I'm forced to accept. Okay, y'all know the importance of water pump and its bearing. Now I'm an OEM guy, right? I'm a big fan of OEM make quality parts and use quality parts to build their quality parts, right? So water pump, things like water pump and stuff like that. Let me see. The one I did yesterday on that Charger. Where is it at? Where is it at? Oh, they already emptied the trash. Well, anyway, if a bearing come apart, just say you have a PT Cruiser and you're doing a water pump. You go with one of those $30 water pump. That bearing can fail, guys, and it can seize up and cause catastrophic failure. So the dilemma I'm faced with, I was really wanted to finish this car today, but I can't because they have to order a Mopar water pump, which is what was paid for, right? So here's the option I have. They can get one from down the street. It'll be here in about an hour. That way I can likely finish the car today. Or I can wait a day to get a quality Mopar water pump. Okay, so, but guys, it really don't matter what at the end of the day, it's the manager call. They're going to call the manager and tell them, well, get them any kind of, it's the end of the month, guys. We're trying to get cars out. Now, I'm not, the water pump that I get from wherever, they come with warranty too. So I'm just, it's a personal thing with me. Okay, and now, do Mopar make real good water pumps or produce them? Guys, the water pumps on the Hemi is nothing to brag about. That's not what I'm saying. But the pumps that I'm familiar with and I know have a good track record is one that applied to this 3.5 engine. You've never heard me brag on a water pump that goes on the Hemi, whether they Mopar or not. It doesn't matter. I will use those because they Mopar and they offer the best warranty, but I will never brag on them because I see some of the early failures of those. So that's not what I'm talking about. I'm just hoping the water pump that I get will be made of good quality and good parts used, such as the bearing inside of it. Because again, if that bearing seizes, the belt stop. In some cases, the belt would keep turning, and you can potentially cause catastrophic failure. So that's what I'm against, and that's what I'm hoping not happen. So we can see. I'll wait. I'm about to go. Now I got to find something to do, and I'll finish it when the part get here, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Well, welcome back. Here's what's sitting over here. Now, who make this, guys? Gates. Anybody familiar with Gates? Where Ruley at? Ruley 73 into parts, I think. Gates make good quality stuff. I really wanted OEM Mopar, guys, but this is the only option I have. Just because today we're nearing the end of the month and they want all this stuff out. So I gotta finish this up so I can get on to that transmission job. But Gates, I hope you do what you're supposed to do and don't look at it. It feels so flimsy, man. I don't know. I'm sure they got the same warranty, but I just like OEM Mopar, guys. All right, no sense whining about it. I got the part. They told me to put it on. I guess I got to put it on. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Just sometimes just feel like venting to you guys. That's all. But I got a lot of work to do, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Sure, guys, I'm still at Pull Apart. I'm here taking care of some business, but remember, I'm having a little fun right now. I'm trying to give my best call on why some of these cars out here in the first place. Now, it's a typical V6 3.7 liter. The heads are missing. All right, what are the odds or the chances that customer or mechanic have one that's overheated? Remember the one I did on my channel that I recommended a new engine because it was severely overheated. What if a mechanic actually working on that and he come to the conclusion it just needs heads? I can almost guarantee you he first thought it just needs head gaskets, but the head gaskets was probably intact. Now he's to this point where he think it need head. What are the chances of him coming out here and grabbing these 2-cylinder heads? They're aluminum now off of this car. He may be in luck if only he knew that this car didn't overheat or this engine wasn't overheated. All right, is it worth the chance taking? Perhaps it could be, but he could be in luck if nothing happened to these heads and he got these heads and gonna put them on that car. He may be all right. Hashtag short. Alrighty, guys, y'all remember I'm still at Pull Apart. I'm giving this stuff a shot and giving it a crack. Try to figure out why these cars are at Pull Apart. Look on here. This one's fairly easy, guys. Yes, guys, fire. Simple as that, fire. Now, how did it catch on fire? I have no idea, guys. If I had to guess, I'd say fuel leak and something spark and poof. Or there you go. Yeah, you have no choice but to total these. Mechanic, I don't care if you ASC Supermaster Tech. There's no bringing this back to life, guys. The insurance company did the right job. This car is at the right place, but I don't know what parts can be sold off this. Can you salvage this tip-em? I'm not sure. Got a little burn mark on it. Me personally, I wouldn't trust it, but nothing as far as intake. Engine maybe. Okay, yeah, the engine, I mean, it caught fire on the top. Would you chance or gamble with anything on this? I don't think so. So this car exactly is in the right spot. Pull Apart so you can they just gonna end up crushing it and going from there. All right, guys, let me move on. Hashtag shorts.